Here's how you can maximally grow your lats. You need to target all three portions I'm about to show you. First, the lower iliac fibers. Loop a pair of D handles over a cambered bar and perform the D handle pushdown. These are incredible. Focus on keeping your torso locked in its position. Imagine that you're first driving the handles down to the floor, and while keeping your arms held close to your body, tucking them into the sides of your hips. Next, here's how you can shift the focus to the middle lumbar fibers. The kneeling single arm cable row. Throughout the entire range of motion, think about keeping the bottom of your wrist and forearm driving down towards the floor as you sweep your elbow back towards your hip, making sure to keep it tucked in at your side. Finally, the upper portion of the lats, the thoracic fibers. Get a shoulder width neutral grip bar attachment. Lean slightly back and row to your belly button. The same principles apply here. Keep your shoulders pushed down away from your ears, pulling the... Here's how you can build a monstrous upper back. You need to target all of the areas I'm about to show you. First, a brutal superset starting with the incline dumbbell low row. Rounded shoulders at the bottom, then imagine you're driving your chest into the bench as you row back, pinching the shoulder blades at the top. Then we focus in on the rear delts with the second exercise. After you come to failure, grab a lighter pair of dumbbells and perform the incline dumbbell skew. Shoulders locked in position, arms straight, pushing them back at a 45-degree angle. The next exercise targets most of the same musculature. I angle my chest up to the ceiling and perform the assisted pull-up. Now listen closely. As you get to the very top, imagine that you're pushing the middle of your back through your body to the wall in front of you. Drive your elbows to your hips, pulling your shoulders down. This next exercise is notoriously done incorrectly, so here's how to fix it. Take a double overhand grip on two separate rope attachments. Lean slightly back and perform the face pull. Set the pull-up pose. Drive your fists back as you scoop your shoulder blades under. And finally, the upper traps. Move as much weight as you can. You never want to be limited by the strength of your hands, so wear straps. Here's a highly effective workout for you to grow a bigger chest. First, incline dumbbell bench. Keep the dumbbells in line with your upper arm at a 45-degree angle. Push as heavy as you can so that you're limited to just 8 to 10 reps. Then, for one set, perform an all-out max rep back off set with 75% of the heaviest weight you lifted. Then, a 2-exercise superset, starting with a crossbody single arm cable fly. As you reach the bottom, allow your elbow to bend. Then straighten your arm as you reach across your body. Then immediately move into the cable shove fly. Imagine that your forearm is gliding across the top of the favorite movements. Banded dips. The band evens out the tension throughout the movement. Be explosive with these, pushing to a full lockout. If those are too advanced for you, do body weight or assisted dip. Here's an absolutely savage bicep workout that I've used to help me build big arms. There's no reason why you can't achieve them too. First, the wide stance crush grip plate curl as a drop set. These will help give your arms a wider and thicker look when viewing them from the front. I use 2 plates, and when I reach failure, I drop one and continue on for max reps. Wide stance with a slight lean forward, allowing the weight to travel between your legs. Then, the single arm dumbbell preacher curl. This one trains the short head of your bicep in the shortened position. It can really help pack on size to the inside of your arm. Keep your wrist, shoulder, and elbow in a straight line downward. Usually on the final set, I'll aid myself up to the top and resist it back down after I hit failure. Finally, we train with our biceps stretched back behind us in the lengthened position. The cable face away curl. The key with these is keeping your elbows behind you